Hello learners, in this video we will learn how to use switch in Android. We are going to make this application. When you click here or swap, then its image will be changed. Light is on, off, test also changed. Light is off and then light is on. So let's make this application. So first of all, add some two image resources for status of our light on or off. So add string, select string, add string value, light is on, light is on, and then add one more string resource, light is off, light is off, and we need two images, bulb images, one for on state and one for off state. I have already downloaded two images from internet, so you can also download from internet what image you want to use in your layout, and paste these images into drawable folder. Now design, okay, done. Okay, now design our layout. So first of all, remove this, we don't require this, and after that we require one image. Drag one image here. Initial state of our light is off, so select bulb off image here, and after that take a switch, and set the initial value of switch is light is off, and set the constraint of our layout image first, horizontally in center, and set top constraint as well, and here select this switch and set horizontal in parent and top. Now it's time to make program app functional. Let's do some programming. First of all, apply a listener on our switch 2 dot set on checked change listener, on checked change listener, on checked change listener, this one we require, this one, yes, and here if is checked means switch is on, then we need to change the label of our switch to test is equal to resource get string dot light is on, and change the image as well, image view to image view to dot set image resource double bulb on. Else if status is off, then change the status of our light as well. Here bulb off and light is off. Now let me cross check run this program. Now you in earlier video you see we always initialize our object, declare our object here and initialize in on create view. After that we are used, but there is no need of find view by id to initialize objects using semantics. It's already initialized, like this line initializing our layout components. So these and these are coming from our layout. I will show you just a minute. Switch, you can see this is image 2 and this is switch 2. So it is Android Studio done this for us automatically. There is no need to write extra code to initialize and declare our widgets in our code. Our application is loaded on emulators, so you can check it's working or not. Yes, when the light is on, it's showing light is on. When the light is off, it's showing light is off, and also your image status will also change. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, share, comment and give your suggestion. Thank you very much.